Getting along with others. 1. Smile. Everyone seeks for those who are joyful and enthusiastic about life. Even if you don't feel joyful all of the time, make an effort to grin occasionally. You'll feel better right away, and other people will want to be around you, converse with you, and get to know you as a result. 2. Be hospitable in your body language. Make sure your body language indicates that you want to be approached if you're at a party or other social event. Look in front of you rather than at your feet or the ground while interacting with others. Wave or nod to them briefly. In order to encourage others to approach you, present a positive attitude and an openness to conversation. 3. Be genuine. Whether you are talking to an old friend or somebody you have just met for the first time, you should always show genuine interest in the conversation. Being fully engaged not only shows that you are compassionate, but it also makes for more stimulating and fulfilling interactions with others. 4. Ask individuals about themselves. Let's be honest. Conversations about oneself are very popular. And if you want to be more social and start interacting with others more, you should be genuine in your interest by getting to know them by asking about their day, how they're feeling, and what they have planned. This does not imply that you should interrogate them or be overly nosy about what they are doing or asking really private questions. Simply ask them to share a little of themselves to demonstrate your concern before waiting for them to start talking. 5. Be more receptive. You may not be a particularly outgoing person because you believe that you have nothing in common with anyone you encounter. If you are more receptive and allow others the chance to open up to you, you'll discover that you might have more in common than you realize. It's possible that you think the person is too foolish, way too cool, or too shy to be your true buddy. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.